VIZIO 40-inch Full HD, 1080p Smart TV, vfd40m08 review. The VIZIO 40-inch Full HD, 1080p Smart TV, vfd40m08 offers a decent balance of features and performance for its price, making it a suitable option for those looking for a mid-range smart TV. But does it live up to expectations? What are the positive features of this TV? One of the strongest points of this TV is its 1080p Full HD resolution, which provides clear and sharp visuals, ideal for watching movies, sports, or streaming shows. The DTS Virtual X sound technology is another notable feature, delivering immersive audio with virtual surround sound, enhancing the viewing experience without the need for external speakers. The TV is also Alexa compatible and has Google Cast built in, making it easy to integrate with a smart home system. You can control the TV via voice commands, stream content directly from your smartphone or other devices, and enjoy a hands-free experience. Additionally, the inclusion of Bluetooth headphone support is a great bonus, especially for users who prefer to watch TV without disturbing others. This feature is ideal for late-night movie marathons or private listening. Are there any downsides? While the TV does have some strong features, it does fall short in a few areas. One noticeable drawback is the lack of 4K resolution. In a market where 4K is becoming standard, sticking with 1080p might feel a bit outdated, especially for those who want the most detailed picture quality available. Another issue is that while the TV has smart capabilities, it lacks some of the more intuitive and comprehensive smart interfaces seen in other brands like Samsung's Tizen or LG's WebOS. The interface can feel somewhat basic, and app selection might not be as robust or customizable. Moreover, the build quality of the TV is average at best. The plastic frame doesn't feel as premium as some higher-end models, and the remote can feel a little flimsy. How is the price in relation to the features? Priced typically around $200–250, the VIZIO 40-inch Full HD Smart TV is relatively affordable compared to more feature-rich options on the market. For those who don't need 4K resolution or the latest smart TV platform, this TV offers good value, considering its Full HD picture quality and useful features like Bluetooth headphone compatibility and virtual surround sound. Conclusion: the VIZIO vfd40m08 is a solid mid-range smart TV that strikes a good balance between affordability and essential features. While it doesn't offer 4K resolution or the most polished smart interface, it excels in delivering good audio and visual performance, smart connectivity, and a fair price. It's perfect for those who need a secondary TV or are simply looking for a budget-friendly, straightforward option. However, if you're looking for the latest in TV technology, you might find yourself wanting more.